Hello ladies and gentlemen, Virus here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your chrome gas cap on your Dodge Challenger. Okay, so you want to change your gas little door, your gas door, whatever you want to call it. I'll have the black gas cap down in the description if you want to buy this. To me, it makes the vehicle a lot better because this is actually the only chrome piece on my whole vehicle. It's actually very simple to take this off. On these gas caps, there is one, two, three, four. There's four, well, pretty much clamps. Just push them in, and it'll literally just come out. So I literally just put some pressure on it from behind and pressed each one of these little clips and worked one out after another, and then just come out. And there's going to be, like, there's a little seal around the actual filler neck for the gas tank. So just pull it out and literally just come out. And all I did to put in the black one was literally just press it in, and that's it. But let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how I did that. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time.